Ever dreamed of creating hit songs in just minutes? Say hello to Suno AI. In this video, we will uncover the magic behind this AI music maestro. Whether you are into Suno AI version 4 or version 3.5, creating the perfect Suno Aisha song, or crafting your own lyrics, in this tutorial, we have covered everything. Let's dive in and turn your ideas into chart toppers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into Suno AI, the ultimate tool for music creators. From step by step Suno AI prompt tutorials to learning how to make your own song. Suno AI से song kaise banaye. We'll explore everything you need to know. We'll even talk about Suno Aisha's songs, lyrics, Malayalam music, copyright, and song monetization. By the end, you will have the tools to make music magic with AI. Let's get started, guys. So, guys, first of all, we have to search for Suno AI. So, once you found the website on Google, Suno AI, not Suno AI, suno.com. So this is an website. So here, once you logged in, okay, this is the full page of this website, okay. And here you can see 50 credits, okay. So per day, you get 50 credits. You can do 5 songs per day. So, and this is how the UI is. Here is the home and here is the create. You can create song from here. You have to just put the your lyrics, okay. Then you have a library. All your songs created will be here, okay. If you want to make this song to public, then you can click here and make this as public, okay, like this. Once you made this public, okay, anyone can use it, okay. It will go into the Suno AI library. It will be public. Until unless you don't make it public, it will not go over anywhere. Okay. So then explore feature gives you, the whole round, library where you can hear the songs. Okay. These are all the keywords. Okay. Whichever keyword song you want, you can play. So guys, here you can see all the keywords, which song you want. Okay. You can select anything. Okay. So this is how it is. Okay. So then there is a search button. You can search your created songs over here. So now let's begin creating one song. Okay. I have so to create, okay, to create a song, you have to create lyrics. Okay. If you have the lyrics already with you, then there is no problem. You can just put the lyrics and create the song. If you don't have the lyrics, okay, you want to create the lyrics, okay, then you have to go to the chat gpt or any other AI which can create a song for you. There is Copilot is there, Microsoft, then Chat GPT, then other options are there. Okay, so going with the Chat GPT, I have one prompt I have already done. So I will paste it over here. Okay. So here only thing I've added, the theme of the song revolves around unrequited love. Okay. So this is a love kind of a song. Okay. And we can also add, if you want, then Suno Aisha. Okay. So let's see what it does. So it has created a song. for Suno Aisha. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to do nothing. Just create this. Sorry. Just copy this. Okay. Just copy this everything from here and just paste by going over here. Control V. And if you see, it is only accepting 200 characters. Now you cannot create the song so long. Okay, because the length is way high. Okay, so then you have to click over here as a custom. Once you click on custom, now you have 3000 characters limit. Okay, so then now paste it. Okay, so once you have pasted it, then you can select this version. This is the latest version 3.5, and 3 point is there and 2 point is there. The 4 version is also there, but it is there with a premium to the premium subscribers, pro subscribers. Okay, for that you have to pay. This is the free version over here. Okay, then here you can select the style of a music, but I will not put anything over here. Persona is also not there with a free. Okay, and then title, music title, I will keep the music title as Suno Aisha. Okay, then I will hit create. So now two version of the same song's lyrics will be created, and we can select one which one we like. Okay, so I'll play the first one.
सुनो ऐसे तेरी मुस्कुराहट की बात दिल ने छुपी है एक खाली सी रात मेरी हर दुआ में तू फिर भी दूर है दिल की हर धड़कन में तू पर अभी खूर है नर्म सा था जो रिश्ता वो अब है बेचैन तेरे बिना जीने की चाह थोड़ा है बेचैन दिल से जो प्यार किया वो अब है खामोश क्यों तेरे ख्वाबों में दिल का है जश्न रोश सुनो आयशा मेरे जज्बात की सुन दिल की हर बात को तू समझ ले मेरी दुनिया का तू है एक रोशनी.
So this is first version, this is second version. Now I'm playing.
सुनो ऐशा तेरी मुस्कुराहट की बात दिल में छुपी है एक खाली सी रात मेरी हर दुआ में तू फिर भी दूर है दिल की हर धड़कन में तू पर अभी खूर है नर्म सा था जो रिश्ता वो अब है बेचैन तेरे बिना जीने की चाह थोड़ा है बेचैन दिल से जो प्यार किया वो अब है खामोश क्यों तेरे ख्वाबों में दिल का है जश्न रोश सुनो ऐशा मेरे जज्बात की
So guys, how the song is sounding.
तू समझ ले मेरी दुनिया का तू है एक रोशनी
Could you imagine the AI can sing a song like this? Do you feel the world is changing, guys? And it's absolutely amazing, you know. We don't require any singers, okay? Now the content creators can create their own music. Guitarist doesn't require a vocal person to sing. Okay, they can create a song and directly, you know, do the magic. So I can also use these songs in my thing, but it's a great, you know, to use your personalized songs. Okay, I can create the song for my channel, okay, and put it, but I have to take a pro version for that, okay, because there are, you know, there might be copyright issues, okay, and the pro and premier plan, okay, which gives you, you know, the what we call that commercial use license. You can monetize those songs also. Okay. So this is how the UI is, and see, I have already like to correct me. I think I can create 5 songs. only 10 credits per song. Okay. So per day I can create 5 songs. Okay. Here it is this thing because it has used my 10 credits. Okay. So here again, the subscription button is there. Okay, on this, if you see, we are in the basic plan. Okay, and if you go to the pro plan, okay, in first of all, I will tell you in basic plan, every day 50 credits renews daily. Okay, so 50 credits per day, meaning for 30 days, like you are getting around, 30 into 50, 1500 credits. Okay, and non-commercial terms, no credit top-ups, shared generation queue, and 2 running jobs at once. Okay. Then to the pro plan, you get access to their new model V4. Okay, which I've told you earlier. 2500 of credits renews monthly. So around 500 songs you can create in a month. Okay. Early access to new beta features and all this, this is important general commercial terms. Okay. Then optional credit top ups, priority generation queue, 10 running jobs at once. Okay. Then there is a premier plan. Okay. And access to our newest model V4, then 10,000 credits renew monthly, 2000 songs you can create. Okay, early access to new beta features, general commercial terms, optional credit top ups, then priority generation in queue, so 10 running jobs at once. Okay, these are the all benefits, for paying around $18 a month. Okay, and here $6 a month, and this is $0 a month. You don't have to pay anything. So it is your choice. If you want to create songs and get it monetized, then you can use this, the pro plan if it fits. Otherwise, I feel basic plan is way good. Okay, and as far as it is helping you, or you think you are getting good output from this, then you can choose subscription. Okay. So this is what's new. Okay, here the Black Friday sale is there, and 40% off currently. V4 model, the launch. Today we thrilled to introduce V4, the next step towards enabling make music at speed of your ideas. So a little bit upgrade, Suno AI has done. Okay, on this. So, going ahead, you can also create, Malayalam music. Okay. So, same keywords, same lyrics which we have, we can say convert about song in Malayalam. Okay. Then it has converted whole song into the Malayalam. And now we can just paste it over here. Then go to create, and control A to select everything, and backspace to delete, and control V. Then the name of the song. Okay, Suno Aisha. You have to paste the name of the song over here, and then hit create. So it will create the same song into Malayalam music. Okay, so I'm sorry, I don't know Malayalam, but I tried creating the song for you, the people who wants in Malayalam.
Suno Aisha, നിന്നെ ചിരിയുന്ന പോലെ ഇപ്പോഴത്തേക്കൊന്നും എനിക്കത് പോലെ എന്റെ എല്ലാ പ്രാർത്ഥനകളും നീയുണ്ട് എന്നാൽ അകലായിരിക്കുക മനസ്സിലോരോ രാത്രിയും അല്പം സുഖം തരുന്ന ബന്ധം ഇപ്പോൾ കൊട്ടിയേറ്റ് നിന്റെ കൂടെ
So guys, if you like this song, you can download this song also. Here is the option. You have to click over here, audio.
എന്തായാലും നഷ്ടമാണ് Suno Aisha എന്റെ വികാരങ്ങൾ കേൾക്കൂ
So actually now it is getting created to be downloaded. So once you know it is ready, it will be available to download.
എനിക്ക് പ്രതീക്ഷ എങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് വിരോധമായിരിക്കാൻ നീ എന്തുകൊണ്ട് Aisha
If we go up here, this song will be available to download here if you see, because this is just generated.
ഞാൻ
Okay.
കാണുന്ന സ്വപ്നങ്ങളൊടുവിൽ
Here this we can download this song.
ഒരുപാട് ഓർത്തു എന്റെ ഹൃദയത്തിൽ സ്വപ്നങ്ങളിൽ നീ എന്നാൽ നിന്റെ
How it is.
ഓർമ്മകൾ എന്നെ വിചിത്രമായിരിക്കുന്നു എന്റെ പ്രഭാതത്തിൽ നിന്നെ പകർന്നു എന്നാൽ കാലം മാറിയത് മാത്രം എന്താ
So the second song.
ചിരിയുന്ന പോലെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഒറ്റയ്ക്കൊന്നും എനിക്ക് ദുഃഖം പോലെ എന്റെ എല്ലാ പ്രാർത്ഥനകളിലും നീയുണ്ട് എന്നാൽ അകലായിരിക്കുക മനസ്സിലോരോ രാത്രിയും അല്പം സുഖം തരുന്ന ബന്ധം ഇപ്പോൾ കൊട്ടിയേറ്റ് നിന്റെ കൂടെ ജീവിക്കാൻ ഞാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നില്ല
So guys, how the song is sounding, you can comment in the comment box. And if you like this video, please subscribe, okay, which will help us to grow and our video to reach many of the people, okay. And till then, to the next video, we'll see you in next video. So take care, goodbye.